Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ragi milkshake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of ragi flour and 1 cup of milk. For sweetness, have about 2 tablespoons of sugar or jaggery on hand. Don't forget optional flavorings like a pinch of cardamom powder or some chopped nuts to enhance the taste. Now let's prepare the ragi. In a small bowl, mix the ragi flour with a little water to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Transfer this paste to a saucepan and cook it over low heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir constantly to prevent it from sticking and to ensure it cooks thoroughly until it thickens. Once the ragi paste has cooled, it's time to blend. Pour the cooked ragi paste into your blender along with 1 cup of chilled milk. Add your preferred sweetener, about 2 tablespoons to taste. Blend everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and achieves a wonderfully creamy consistency. This step ensures a delightful texture. Your delicious ragi milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a serving glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some chopped nuts or a sprinkle of cardamom powder. Feel free to experiment with variations. Try adding fruits like bananas or dates during blending for different flavors and added nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.